One of the neat features that Rainbird has is just the quality of their product. Whether it's the sprinklers, nozzling, they've done a lot of testing and really come out with some of the best products that we've seen on the market.
Playability is an extremely important thing here. We have to find that balance, and I think Rainbird really gives us that opportunity to get water where we need to get it, create a green playing surface that is yet fast and firm and not overwatered.
Timeless compatibility is one of the features that Rainbird has had for many, many years. You can incorporate new products into old products, whether it's controllers or sprinkler heads or what have you, and integrate those efficiently and easily.
We were slinging 50 to 60 tons per acre of sand to kind of get the fairways where we wanted to be. Every time it would run, it would self-flush itself out, so you wouldn't get that sand down into the rotor.
One thing that gives us a lot of confidence is knowing that this product is going to last a long time. It's going to be there for 15 to 20 years and with very minimal maintenance.
I always feel Rainbird is one step ahead. They're always thinking 10 years down the road. They're always advancing.
Knowing that our system can grow and keep moving forward with the Rainbird system without having to put a whole new irrigation system is huge.